Friday.
We're not expecting severe weather, the heavy rain threat for some isolated downpours. More than anything, it's the rain with all of these outdoor events and parades. And we're going to be dodging some showers. That system, which is bringing our weekend rainfall, you can clearly see that spin off to our west. That is what is going to be bringing us the rainfall and may come in kind of a couple of rounds of rainfall. One is starting to set up over Texas and the other is more so going to be developing near the center. So this little first round could impact us maybe as soon as Saturday midday afternoon. At least that's what our high resolution model is saying. Now tomorrow, Friday, some of the events and festivities get started Friday for the kind of 3-day weekend. No issues tomorrow. It'll be a little milder, a little more humid, but dry. We'll start to get the cloud cover moving in late Friday and into Saturday. Now, this is Saturday midday. Mostly dry to start, and then this could bring in some about 40, maybe 50% spotty to scattered showers during the start of our Friday into the midday and afternoon hours. Then, now this model had still another heavy round of rainfall during those early morning hours of Sunday. Notice, now the model kind of breaks that rain up. I don't know if that's going to be the case, but definitely I think the bulk of our rainfall through the weekend will be during that time period, late Saturday into early Sunday. That's what most of the models agree with. What this one says is we'll be clearing out by Sunday mid-morning, and through the rest of the afternoon and evening, we're dry. That would be great. That's not what all of the models are saying. Again, the minimal concern is going to be the isolated street flooding threat. That starts to our west mainly Saturday, starts moving our way Saturday night, and then for all of us Sunday morning. And that's going to be isolated in nature. Overall, and we do need the rain as we're starting to see the drought expand over southeast Louisiana, many locations 1 to 2 inches. Now, over the course of about 24, 36 hours with several breaks, we'll be fine. It'll be some of the isolated heavier downpours. Now, the Euro model, notice, we already have some shower activity around Saturday night. Going into the overnight hours of Sunday, that's when probably the bulk of our heavy rainfall starts. Then, by the morning and mid-afternoon hours of Sunday, the model still has some rainfall. So that's why I said that 40% chance during the day Saturday, 80% Saturday night, Sunday morning, and then 60% kind of first half of the day Sunday is going on the high end side of our rain chances. Good news, though, is that we will see another front mid next week, and it will bring in some very chilly temperatures. Our afternoon highs on Halloween will stay in the 70s. Most of the day will be in the 60s, and then for the trick-or-treat time, 50s, 60s, and dropping. So a cool Halloween forecast. And the good news is this is the temperature outlook through November 1st, so All Saints Day, likely staying below average and continuing into the first stretch of November, likelihood of our temperature staying below normal. So it's nice that it won't be just kind of a one and done with the cooler air or even chillier air. It'll hang around for a while. Out in the tropics, Melissa is still struggling. However, the anticipation is that it will start to gain some strength. And as we've been saying, this is going to be a significant system for the Central Caribbean as this will meander very slowly right around Jamaica for days as a major hurricane, something that we'll be watching for those folks very closely. Our high temperatures tomorrow, more mid-80s. Those rain chances will be hopefully getting a better idea of as we get through the weekend. Mild to start next week, then the cool down comes in by Wednesday.